Welcome to the TED Online Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to search using the Browse by Subject features. At the top of every page, you can select to browse by a specific subject. Browse by Business Opportunity displays the published notices by a group or by a specific type of a business opportunity. Browse by Business Sector displays the published notices divided by a business sector. Business sectors are categorized by CPV codes in a tree. You can expand the tree to search for lower-level options within it. Browse by Place of Performance displays the published notices by location of the contract execution. You can use the map on the right section to browse. You can zoom in, zoom out, or use your mouse to drag the map around. Select Home to restore the default view. Select a nuts level, and hover your mouse over the map to view the number of notices per area. The different colors identify the number of notices per area. The color scale is explained in the bottom left corner. Instead of the map, you can use the tree on the left to expand it by a specific place of performance. Each time you expand the tree, the map responds accordingly. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our help page and check our other video tutorials.